Stand wood block. Good morning guys, today is our defense counter like this. For instance, your opponent inflict with you. So all you have to do is scoop the arm and place under your arm here. Then struck this portion of the opponent as well as the throat. And then upper elbow. Then do not release the arm, just continue holding upper elbow and knee strike. Hold the head and knee strike, then flip the arm, insert your body and throw to the ground. So the execution supposing like this, for instance, the inflict. So scope, then flip. So that is the execution for defense counter, including throwing to the ground. So thank you so much guys. This video, if you like, you may follow and share. And God bless us all. Nationwide Combat Karate Association Incorporated.